Hi guys, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Still Finding Joy, where we find joy even in hard seasons. And today I want to show you guys what I got from the Coach Denim drop that just happened. So one of the items we're gonna unbox together. I ordered it online and we'll just start unboxing it. This is the Jude bag in signature denim, and I saw this one come online. I stuck it in my cart, and of course I was waiting to try to, kind of try to find out. It's pretty, if I really wanted it. And by the time I decided that I really wanted it, it was sold out. So what I did is I called my local store and I tried to get it, but she said that they didn't have it in stock, that it was sold out. And so I contacted customer service and they told me, yes, it's sold out and we do not know, if we're gonna get it back in stock. So I just kept kind of just looking over the next course of days. And of course it did come back in stock. It's pretty, guys. Let me see if you can see that. It has that Coach logo. It has the denim here, the leather bottom, and it's the Jude Duffle bag. Let me show you the tag. And I believe I paid about like $145 for it. Right now, as of the time of this video, it's saying that it's sold out, but you can keep checking. And actually, I'll give you here's that item number. It's CDD53. And they had some other prints, other colors in this design. So we got our Coach tag right here. It's in like a tan color. Paperwork, the gold hardware. And I haven't seen this bag. I tried to search for this bag on YouTube just to kind of see if I could see how it looked in person, like get a closer look. And I had a hard time really finding it. So hopefully if you have been looking, this video kind of helps you in making your decision. So here's how the inside of the bag is. And it's pretty deep, so it looks like it can fit a lot. It has a pocket here. Got the paperwork. We got to get rid of this tag. The interior is navy. Got a pocket here. Handle's pretty long, so I think that I like this and that I will be keeping it. And so I think that if you want something that's denim and you don't necessarily want like all the monogram on it, this would be a nice bag. I think it looks really classy. And so I also did go in store also. And I thought this bag, this little wristlet, was fun and cute, and I've seen that a lot of people have this one, so I thought this was nice. I also wanted the pencil pouch, but I waited too late and it was sold out. Then I saw that it came back online, but I didn't want to pay shipping. I didn't want to pay the $10 shipping, so I decided to wait. And then I said, you know what, I need to get it. And by the time I decided that I wanted to get it, it was gone again. So here's the bag. I will bring it closer. So I cannot wait to get into this bag. Here's it does have a back zipper on it, so you could definitely put something here, your phone or something there. So I'm definitely going to be getting into this bag soon, so I will be doing a what's in my bag with it. And that is all that I have. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like my videos, just hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Have a great day. Bye.